All right, let's go. Wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1. All right, that was good. Nope.
That was very awkward.
What?
More powdery than I expected. We're going this way.
Yep.
Would you like to go first? I feel like I've been in front of you this whole time. I didn't get any footage of you.
All right. Well done. It's very nerving doing this trail with like zero visibility.
Yeah.
Great Eastern is that way. Oh,
Good try.
so close.
You almost saved that.
I almost
so
did.
close.
And I almost
I just
destroyed
saw
my
you
elbows too, but that's a different story. Ooh. Great Eastern is that way.
That was so funny. Your body language as you turned to me, just in despair as you were sinking further down.
Maybe you should get up because people can't see you.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Probably right. Speaking of which, let's just get out of here.
We're going that way?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Ah. I'm getting kind of dizzy. Okay, enough of that. Yeah, we want to keep going down.
Don't stop believing. You missed. And
I
that was
didn't.
very dangerous, actually. I don't want to do that. Go ahead.
Now, I'm gonna let these guys get out of the way first.
that was awkward.
Hey there.
How's it going? Totally intended.
You are head up. You are not recording, sir.
I'm not?
No.
Aw.
Am I recording?
Yes.
Well, how the tables have turned.
How the turns have tabled.
How the turntables have turned. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, no, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Yeah, we're good.
Rahul is-
Oh, we're whole doing something.
Maybe I just never started recording. I don't know.
Hmm.
I hope that was the case. Which is unfortunate because we got that whole spiral thing.
We gotta do it again.
Okay.
Am I still going?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just double check. Yeah. I'm still good.
As soon as these people go by, we can do it again.
All right.
Get all dizzy. I was getting dizzy on a snow show before, and I was just basically going. All right, let's do it, Rahul.
All right. All right.
All right. How did we do it though? I can't remember.
I went around your right side.
You went around my right side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to go first. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm on your right.
Okay. Yeah.
This is awkward because I keep stopping. It was better over there when I was like constantly going, you know what I mean?
Yeah. All right.
Is it still rolling?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's mine.
Yeah.
All right, good. I'm gonna fall over now. Whoa, yeah.
Handler! Dun 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 dun. 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 And I do the little twirly. Whee! To the left. Very good, sir.
Oh, wow. It was much more visible before.
We're not at the same point as before. Well, actually, are we?
I think so. There's only one cruise control on the map.
Yeah, and I guess it only intersects radius at one point. Yeah, all right.
All right.
Onward
Is it you
down.
first or me?
Me.
Very good, sir. Onward and downward, I say.
Did we do that part before? I don't remember that.
Je ne sais pas. I think we went that way last time.
I don't think so. Oh, there's a net there, Rahul.
There is?
Yeah, I know it's hard to see. But there's a net there.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
Did we do that part before? I don't remember that.
I don't think so.
Maybe it does intersect twice.
Maybe.
All right, let's keep going. Rahul, go.
No you.
No, you.
No you.
No, you.
No you.
No, Sofia.
Okay then. Chugga 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 chugga.
Yeah. We picked it up here last time. I like you're getting a lot more of the up down that I wasn't seeing yesterday.
Yes, now I'm working more on getting my feet under.
Okay. Cool. Nice.
Yeah.
We'll keep
All
going.
right, mid-flight check.
Great.
Are you still rolling?
You are.
You are.
How about
Rolling like the mountains.
that? I guess.
Onward and downward.
What?
Onward and downward.
Onward and downward.
You first. I'm gonna catch up this time.
Very well then, sir.
That's still going?
Yeah. Is mine?
Yes.
Let's go!
I like what I'm seeing from both of you.
I've started shifting my